Okay, so it's Saturday morning, about 10:15, November the 11th. I'm shooting this video because for the first time in quite a while, I am actually nervous about making some cuts on the top. Now, I've been building tops full-time for 5+ years, so I don't get nervous about building tops. I don't get nervous about making cuts. Straight edge, no straight edge, it doesn't matter, on-site, off-site. I don't get nervous anymore. I'm nervous today. I've been out in the shop since about 6 a.m. and I've been procrastinating making these cuts. I got part of it laid out, but I'm going to finish laying out the rest of it. But I figure with my nervousness, the best way to combat my nervousness is to actually video it and show it to you. That way, if I make a complete fool of myself, well, you get to see it. So as you can see, my number one helper is ready to help me lay this thing out and help me cut it. Now that got intense. I had to pull out every square I had just to make sure the 45 was right on the big beam saw. Yeah, you could say I was nervous, but it came out great. Now bear in mind that this is just the rough finished product. We still got a lot of work to do on it, but you see how the grains turn down? Is that not the coolest thing ever? Yes, I am glad I accepted this challenge because that is going to look amazing. So, to say the least, I am very happy with the way that turned out. One miscut, and we would have ruined that entire top. I mean, regardless to what they send you after, we don't have board stretchers. So, yeah, having that done is just a weight off of my shoulders. Still a lot of work to do on this waterfall countertop, but man, I feel good about it.